Okay, in this short video tutorial I will show you how to upload WordPress to your hosting account using FileZilla. If you haven't done so already, go to FileZilla and download your FileZilla server. Windows only here, other platforms here. Okay, I won't go through this because it's fairly straightforward. Okay, next, once this is done, go to your WordPress.org, download the latest version here. Okay, and again, this is pretty straightforward. Okay, next, let's go create the MySQL database. And here, before you get into all this, it might be a good idea to make sure that your hosting account has the MySQL database, and make sure that your hosting provider runs the latest version of PHP. Okay, and of course they usually do, but if you're not sure, you might want to check that out. Okay, so let's go to MySQL database. Okay, here I copied I got ready here, so I can just copy and paste. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have this in a safe place, okay, because you will need this in just a few minutes. Okay, so create database, done. Let's go back. Okay, next we're going to create the username and the password. Okay, so the username's already in place. The password, we're going to use the password generator. Okay, you can type it in if you want, or whatever you like. Okay, so password generator. I'm going to copy this. Okay, you want to make sure you have access to this again. Okay, then tick the box. I have copied this password in a safe place. Use password. Okay, create user. And there we go, that's done. Let's go back. And now we got to add this user to the database. Okay, so all you got to do here is click add. Okay, on this window, checkbox all privilege, make changes. There you go. Let's go back. Okay, so now on this page we are ready. You see you have your user here, your database here. Okay, so now let's go to your download. Okay, so before you go to your download folder, create a folder for your website, you know, with your website name or whatever you like. Then go to your download, find the WordPress zip file, right click, extract all. Let's go browse and get the folder on the computer. Okay, and here's mine. Click OK, extract files. This will take about a minute. And there we go. This part is done. Okay, so let's close this window. Let's close this one. And now your next step. So assuming that you have FileZilla ready, that you've downloaded it, and you're good to go. Here under host, you put FTP dot your domain name, your username and password. These are the same as your cPanel. Okay, and then click quick connect. And we're connected. On the right is the server, on the left is your computer. Okay, so next thing now is we need to go find the folder where we've put the website in. Okay, and here it is. These are the files where you upload to the server. Okay, so next thing you need to do on this side on the right, you need to find the public underscore HTML folder. In your case, it might be HTTP docs. You know, if you're not sure, find out from your hosting provider. Okay. Next, I'm going to highlight all the files here. These are all the WordPress files. Okay. So let's make sure they're all highlighted. Yep. Okay. And now right click, upload to the server. This will take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. There's a lot of files here. If you look here on the bottom left, you see the activities going on. And it's done. Okay, so here you can see successful transfer, no failed transfer. Okay, so now that this is done, we need to rename the config file. Okay, right now if you take a look at it, WP config sample. Okay, we could have done this before, but doing it before or after doesn't matter. Okay, so let's just take that part out. Now we're left with wp-config.php. Okay, and here let's edit the file. I want to edit with Notepad. Okay, so open. It's not going to let me open it from here. Here, let's see if I can get it from here. Okay, things are looking up. Where's my Notepad? There it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, over here, we need to replace these here. Okay, database name, MySQL username, password. So that's why we copied to another document when we started. Okay, so first, database name. Okay. And goes between the quotes. Okay, paste. Be careful here, make sure you don't have any extra spaces. Okay. Next we need MySQL username. Okay, so username. Same thing here, careful. Paste. And the password that I've created using the password generator. Okay. Paste. Localhost normally stays the same. Okay. So now let's save this file. Let's go back to FileZilla. And let's re-upload the file to the server. Okay, so here it's asking, saying there's already a file there, so we're going to replace it. Okay. Now next thing, we go to the new page. At the end of your domain name, WP dash install. I think that's how it's done. I don't remember now. And there we go. It's been a while. Okay, so English, continue. Give your site a name, or put the website name here. Okay, so let's leave this like this. Username Joe. Here, if you leave it blank, see what it says here, a password will be automatically generated for you if you leave this blank. Okay, so type in your password here or leave it blank. Email address. Okay. And this should work. Okay, now this is your login password. Okay, so you want to make sure you copy this one. Alright. I'm going to paste it here because for me it doesn't matter right now. Okay, let's log in. I already have it, so here we go. Paste. Log in. And here we've just installed WordPress using FileZilla. Okay, this is your WordPress admin panel. You want to visit your site. There you go. That's the default template that comes in with WordPress. Okay. So now, let's say down the road you want to delete WordPress. Okay, go back to your FileZilla. Not this one here. Go back to the right side, find your website. Make sure you only highlight WordPress. Highlight them all. Right click, delete. Yes. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.